Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening System Settings immediately. Don't waste time. Once done, click the Apple menu and choose System Settings or System Preferences on older Mac OS. Make sure you're looking for Desktop and Dock right away. That section contains the single, built-in control that hides the menu bar. You're taking the only supported OS-level path, so proceed to the Desktop and Dock pane now to flip the Hide toggle and move to the next step. Now in Desktop and Dock, locate the setting labeled Automatically Hide and show the menu bar and toggle it on. This is the actual action that conceals the bar. Once toggled, the menu bar will slide out of view and reappear when you move the pointer to the top edge. Make sure to test by moving your cursor slowly to the top so you understand the reveal behavior. If you want persistent hiding across displays, repeat this on any additional monitor setups. Finish by verifying the change across regular Windows and full-screen apps. Move the cursor to the top to reveal the bar, then away to hide it again. If the menu bar reappears persistently, quit and reopen System Settings and restart your Mac to make the preference stick. Make sure no third-party utilities or accessibility settings are forcing the bar visible. Uninstall or disable those tools if they override the system toggle. That single System Settings toggle is the only reliable, supported way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.